Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's fall. We've starting to make some fall cocktails instead of all those pineapple-y, summery kind of things. Tonight we are going to do a cocktail called the Kicking Cow. So let's get started. We are going to go with 1 ounce of heavy cream. We are using 1 ounce of maple syrup. Now, like my wife says, fresh is best. So this maple syrup is actually several months old. This came from the maple trees in the yard. So this is homemade maple syrup. So I want you all to get out there and make your own maple syrup. And then, last but not least, 1 ounce of bourbon. Tonight we're using Maker's Mark. It's a nice wheated bourbon, nice and sweet. That goes in there. We're going to add a little bit of ice. And we're going to give it a good solid shake to chill it down. And then we will strain into a coupe glass. I won't get this to my lips before somebody comes up and says, "Oh, I want this because I like this." This is called the Kicking Cow. So remember, if you like it, the Drunken Sailor, ooh, I'm tasting it.
Cream.
Cream.
It tastes like ice cream. It's yummy. You should try this one.
What did you say before that?
It tastes like ice cream.
Before that?
Yum.
Before that?
I don't know. I'm old.
Oh. Drunken Sailor, folks. Happy fall.
I want some more of it. Squat.